everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my video. And this one I will read an article and will translate it, and I will answer some questions. Okay, and now I will read this article. It's about mall, I think. Okay, and keep enjoy. Getbridge New Merriweather Mall is opening this September with an area of 320,000 square meters. The Merriweather Mall will be the biggest mall in the Southwest. It's located close to the motorway, has its own bus station and 200 car parking space, so it is convenient for everyone. The mall has 5 areas, all undercover. The largest, Main Street, is a shopping area on the 3 floors. Here, you'll find all the major chain stores and department stores. You can buy fashion items at all the famous brand names. There is also a large chemist. Situated on 2 levels, the market square is where you can find traditional market stalls. On the lower floor, there are food stalls, including butchers, bakers, fishmongers, greengrocers, and delicates. On the upper floor, you will find stalls selling hardware and haberdashery. Bohemia is at the rear of the mall. Here, you'll find quirky, independent shops selling everything from second-hand music and books to clothes and handicrafts. The Palisade is more upmarket. Here, you will find fashion boutiques, jewelers, antiques, and furniture. There are also 2 banks and a post office located along the Palisade. The showground is the entertainment center of the mall. On the ground floor, there is a food court where you'll find cuisine from around the world, including Chinese, Japanese, Thai, and Italian food. There is a large arena where events will take place throughout the year. There is also an X-screen cinema, a nightclub, and a bowling alley. And if that is not enough, we are offering you a voucher which will give you €10 of any purchase over €40. Then you make in the Merriweather Mall between 10th and 16th September. You can't afford to miss it. And I will translate it. Oke, jadi di Getbridge itu ada mall baru yang buka di September ini, namanya Merriweather Mall. Nah, dia itu luasnya sekitar 320.000 meter. Dan dia itu akan menjadi kayak mall terbesar di Barat Daya. Nah, terus lokasinya itu deket banget sama jalan raya. Terus dia itu punya si mall ini punya halte busnya sendiri, dan dia itu punya sekitar 2.000 tempat untuk parkir mobil. Jadi pengunjungnya itu pasti bakalan nyaman banget kalau misalkan mau datang ke mall ini. Nah, mall ini tuh punya 5 area dan itu tuh tertutup semua. Jadi yang paling besar itu ada namanya Main Street. Itu kayak shopping area. Dia itu ada 3 lantai, sekitar 3 lantai. Nah, di situ tuh kita bisa nemu hampir banyak banget department store, toko-toko, dan kita bisa beli baju-baju, pakaian, dan kayak merek-merek ternama gitu. Entah itu dari pakaian atau sepatu atau apapun itu, dan ya yang bermerek. Nah, terus di situ juga ada tempat area kosmetik yang besar banget gitu. Nah, terus di area lain itu ada namanya Market Square. Di situ tuh kita bisa nemu pasar tradisional. Di lantai paling bawah kita bisa nemu toko-toko yang menjual bahan-bahan makanan kayak daging, terus habis itu roti-rotian, terus tukang ikan, terus tukang sayur, dan ya bahan-bahan makanan lain. Nah, terus di lantai atasnya kita bisa nemu toko-toko yang jual kayak perangkat keras gitu, dan menjual pakaian laki-laki. Nah, terus ada area lain namanya Bohemia, dan itu tuh ada di belakang mall. Nah, di situ kita bisa nemu sesuatu yang unik, terus terus abis itu ada toko-toko yang ya dia tuh kayak independent shop gitu, toko yang mandiri yang menjual hampir semua dari barang-barang bekas, kayak musik, DVD, CD, terus buku-buku, terus baju-baju atau kerajinan tangan gitu. Nah, terus di area lain ada namanya The Palisade. Dia itu lebih tempat yang berkelas gitu. Jadi di situ kita bisa nemu kayak toko-toko baju, terus abis itu berlian, terus barang-barang antik, terus sama furniture. Nah, terus di Palisade itu kita bisa nemu there are also two banks and kita bisa nemu ada 2 bank, terus juga ada kantor pos di sepanjang di Palisade ini. Terus habis itu di showgroundnya itu tuh kayak tempat hiburan, pusat hiburan di mall ini. Di lantai paling bawah itu kita bisa nemu food court, dimana kita tuh bisa, itu tempat makanan, kita tuh bisa nemu masakan atau makanan dari berbagai belahan dunia kayak masakan Cina, Jepang, Thailand, atau Italia. Nah, terus di arena yang lebih besarnya lagi itu di situ juga ada arena yang lebih besar, dimana bisa biasa buat event gitu, ya event tahunan gitu. Nah, terus ada juga bioskop di situ, kayak ada 8 studio, terus ada klub malam juga dan arena bowling. Dan gak cuma itu aja, kita itu juga nawarin voucher yang bakalan ngasih kamu diskon sekitar 10 euro kalau setiap pembelian 40 euro. Nah, itu tuh adanya vouchernya itu di mall ini, di Mall Merriweather itu antara tanggal 10 sampai 16 September. Jadi jangan sampai ketinggalan. Okay? Thank you. And it's I'm sorry. And then I will answer the questions. Where is the best place in the mall to buy an expensive necklace? I think if you wanna buy an expensive necklace, you will go to in the Palisade, because in the Palisade it's more appropriate and you can find jewelers. Okay, the second, where is the best place in the mall to buy some bacon? I think it's in the market square. On the lower floor you will find butchers. And the third, where is it by some trainers? It's in the main street, because in the main street you can buy fashion items and all the famous brand names. The fourth, buy a used CD. If you wanna buy second-hand music, you can go to Bohemia. It's at the rear of the mall. The fifth, have a meal. If you wanna have a meal, you can go to the ground floor in the showground, and you will find the food court. The sixth, buy an expensive old cupboard. I think it's in the Palisade, because in the Palisade you will find yeah, furniture and antiques. And the seventh, see a film. See a film. If you wanna see a film, you can go to in the showground, yeah, and because it's there is an screen cinema. And then buy some shampoo. I think if you wanna buy some shampoo, you can find it in Market Square. And the last question, if you wanna mail a parcel, you can go to the Palisade, because along the Palisade you will find a post office. Okay, and I think enough. That's all from me. I think enough. And bye bye. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.